Hey guys, welcome to Thrifty Thursday. So this week I want to show you a quick and sweet Christmas DIY that you can use to decorate your home using these cute silver flower pots. The thing I'm going to do with the pots is take off the handles here. These just come right out of there. So you take two pots and right in the middle I'm just going to make a hole. Take some twine. So once the twine is through, I'm going to make a knot in my twine so that it can come through here. Okay? When that's done, I'm going to take a string that goes with the bell, loop that through, I'm going to hot glue this on. I'm just going to hot glue the bell right into the middle. Now as that glues, I'm going to decorate our pot. So I'm going to take some more twine. Just going to start down here and glue it on the edge. And I'm going to start wrapping it around. I'm going to go around with the twine just up to this mark here where the ripple starts to come in. And I'm doing this to decorate the bottom of them, but also to hide this little knob here that where we took out the handle. Just gonna cut the end of it there and add a little bit of glue so it'll stay. Okay, just like that. Now, I bought this at the dollar store, just some pine cones and berries. Just gonna add some. So, cute greenery, maybe some berries. Finish it off. I'm just going to make a quick little bow. This ribbon I also got at the dollar store. Just my ribbon, fold it around each other, pinch it in the middle, cut a little piece of twine, tie that in the center. Tie it on our little bells. And here is our finished Christmas bell DIY. They'd look really cute on a garland or on a post or hanging on your front door in the middle of your wreath, wherever you want to put them. Really cute Christmas DIY. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.